name is Vilmos and I'm a member of Cards FM, and today I'm going to be teaching you Slash. So I created this move back in 2017, and the inspiration for this move is when you see those movie characters when there's a good guy and a bad guy and both holding weapons and then they just rush across the screen. Yeah, that's basically the inspiration for this move. Yeah. Hope you guys will enjoy this move, and yeah, let's get to the tutorial. So to start off with Slash, you are going to want to break into a Z grip with your middle finger and your ring finger on the top edge of the first packet, like this, and the rest is just a normal Z grip. So you're just going to push a card off the top packet like that, and while you're doing that, for your left hand, your thumb is going to come and grip the second packet of the Z grip into sort of a scissor cut position. So while you pull this card towards your thumb, your left thumb, you're going to execute the scissor cut, and at the same time you are going to rotate this card around your left thumb, and as soon as it contacts your right hand's ring finger, you are going to flip this card over face up. So what it should look like with the scissor cut is this. You're going to rotate the card and it's going to go face up, just below the top packet. Push this face up card with your left thumb and flip it back face up onto the top packet, and at the same time you are going to do another double pushover and have it clear the first single card. So now this card is on the top, and after that two things are going to be happening at the same time. One, with your right hand you are going to pull this card back, and as it hits your left thumb you're going to pull your right hand back and try and square this card onto your right hand packet as much as possible, and at the same time you are going to slide this card to the bottom of the deck. Okay, so to give the illusion of more action happening in your left hand, what you're going to do is you're going to use your thumb, and when you slide the card to the bottom, you're going to push this card to the corner of your left hand packet first, and then push it back to the bottom of the packet. So it's sort of a sideways motion, like that. So for the last part, it should look something like this. After it clears, you are going to pull this card back and at the same time slide this card to the bottom. Okay, now that both packets have been squared, just put them together, and that's Slash. So I hope you enjoyed learning Slash. If you want to check out more stuff, you can go over to my personal Instagram, which is tomato.cards, where you can check out the group that I'm in, which is Cards.fm, and you'll find more cool stuff there.